Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Hafiz Sheikh removed as Finance Minister. The Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf government removed Hafiz Sheikh as Finance Minister. MBS call on PM Khan to share interest in joint environmental projects. Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia Mohammed bin Salman called on Prime Minister Imran Khan to express a partnering interest in the Billion Tree Tsunami project as the two states heads discussed environmental projection. President Arif Alvi and Defence Minister Pervez Khattak have tested positive for COVID-19 days after the former got the first dose of the anti-COVID jab. PIA refutes reports of grounding its ATR planes. Pakistan International Airlines has refuted reports on social media regarding the grounding of its ATR planes. Suez Canal says traffic in channel resumes after a stranded ship refloated. The Ghent container ship that blocked the Suez Canal for almost a week was fully floated and traffic in the waterway would resume, the Canal Authority says in a statement. More than 5,000 pre-teens have tested COVID positive in Islamabad. After the surfacing of another case, where a newborn tested COVID positive, the federal capital has conceded about 5,497 infection cases of kids under 10 years age. Federal ministers uses influence to get family vaccinated against COVID-19. Federal Minister for Housing and Works Tariq Bashir Chima allegedly used his influence to get his family members, including famed actor Ifat Umar, vaccinated against the COVID-19. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it and share it.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.